Microsoft just included Claude Cowork in 365 Copilot. To find it, you navigate to m365.cloud.microsoft/chat. From here, you go to All Agents. In Search Agents, search for Cowork. Here it is. Click it. Say Add. You will now have Cowork in Copilot. In Get to Work, you will find templates to get you started with Cowork. In Tasks, you will see your history. Right now it's empty because we haven't created a task yet. Up here in the model picker, you can switch between Claude Sonnet 4.6 and Claude Opus 4.6. Per default, it's on auto, meaning that Cowork will pick the model that suits your task best. If I rather want to use Claude Sonnet 4.6 exclusively, I just click here. We will go back to auto. Cowork will use your Microsoft 365 data, meaning that it can access your SharePoint, OneDrive and Exchange data. So it can access all your files, emails, meetings, etc. Then I can also give it direct data. I can say, use this specific file in my OneDrive or SharePoint, or use this meeting. I can also give it files outside my OneDrive. So here I just click. For example, I have a PowerPoint template on my desktop. I'll say open. Now that one is attached. Over here I can format my prompt. Handy if you want to structure your prompt a little bit better. For the first use case, we will just do it simple. So I'll just toggle it away. Let's create a killer presentation for my company. So here I'll say act like a top tier strategy consultant, like this. Create a presentation on. Here you will insert your company. I will insert mine, Jensen org, with a clear storyline, structured thinking, and 3 actionable recommendations. I'll also say that it should use this attached template. So I'll say use the attached template. And this is so impressive, or at least it will be in 5 to 10 minutes. Now I will start it. This is not like a typical large language model. This AI setup will actually plan, edit, and refine tasks while working on you. As mentioned, it has access to your data, but it has not access to your local computer. This will spin up a zero trust virtual machine in the cloud and work there. In that way, it will not have access to your business critical applications, for example, such as Claude Cowork has. So here it will work. We can see what it actually does. First, it searches some files, and then it will probably gather insights from web sources as well. Over here to the right, we can see details. Right now, we can only see the input folder. In that, we will have the Jensen org template.pptx. You can actually see a little preview from it here. Once this task progresses, you will see more details coming in. Let's fast forward a little bit. And here it is. We can see the thought process. It got the 3 recommendations here in chat. I can follow up and, for example, send this presentation to my team. Over to the right, I can see the input folder. That's what the template was in, which we gave it. We have some skills. Right now, it used the PowerPoint skill. And up here, we have the output folder. I can download or simply just open in OneDrive. Here's my presentation, and why this matters is that it is in my template, or at least I think. Here it is. We have it. It says that 3 actions to lead the AI training market. And here I can see that it actually, for example, says that the corporate AI training market by 2027 is $10 billion. It gives me the exact strategy, and more impressive, it uses my PowerPoint template. Now let me show you how you can use Anthropic and OpenAI directly here in Copilot at the same time. The video is right here. See you.